Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application because firstly we need to check if you have the last software version. Now, if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see this menu. Then you need to click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have upgrade firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so click on it. It check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, right here at the bottom you will see a button download. You just tap on it and it will install update for you. If it didn't help you or you haven't the last newest version, next one what we should do is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then do not close the case, open the lid. On the front side we have connectional button here. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed white 2 times. Here, firstly it entered to pairing mode, you keep holding. 1, 2, here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to go to the settings and to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget this device and forget device. Next, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it as a device list. Now just tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair after that. You will see a window here, and you just click on it. And we did it. Now, if it also didn't help you, the last what I can recommend it to you is to fully charge your earbuds and then check their battery levels. If it's the same, amazing. If it's different, I recommend it to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!